You clicked on this video because you were curious about how much YouTube paid me in my first month in the YouTube creator program. I get it. These videos are fun to watch. I love watching these videos. I strive to be as transparent as possible. So I want to first say at the start of this video, my YouTube paycheck is not a crazy large amount. It's not. Keep in mind, I am a smaller creator. I have 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm just happy to be here, okay? I'm just happy to be here. I'm thankful for this milestone.
Getting paid any money at all to do something that you love is a blessing, period.
Let's get started. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is NK. Today we are talking about how much money YouTube paid me in my very first month as a monetized creator. If you are new here, I create videos about living in New York City, but I also create these type of videos from time to time to be really transparent about the process of being a YouTube creator and my journey to get to where I am. If you are interested in this type of content, take some time to thumbs up this video and subscribe. It helps me continue to make videos like this for you all. I want to start off by saying that YouTube is such a special platform. I believe that this platform has not only empowered me, but has given me a voice in ways that I have never had a voice. I've always been so afraid to speak up or speak my mind. When I was a kid, I was very, very shy. I had a stutter. I would get panic attacks in school when I had to speak, reading in front of the class, all of those traumatic experiences in my childhood and growing up. Somewhere along the way, as I grew up, went through college, post-grad, trying to find my voice, trying to find where my creativity and passion lies, something about videography, but not only that, creating a story and telling it in my words, in my way, has made all the difference in my self-confidence. YouTube has created this space where I feel very empowered to show up exactly where I want to be. And also to my community, who I love so much on this platform, you guys have really empowered me as well and encouraged me, supported me, cheered me on, leveled with me, given me advice, challenged me. I am so thankful. The journey of becoming a monetized creator. If you are new to this process and do not know the criteria, you have to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube as well as 4,000 public watch hours in 365 days. It is a rolling basis, so it doesn't mean you have to get them all done in 2023 or 2024. It is within a 365-day period of time. My journey, let's go back. Let's go back in time. The journey of me being on YouTube started very early. I actually wanted to be a YouTuber very young. I used to watch Bethany Moda, so many iconic girls on YouTube as a kid, and I wanted that, but as I mentioned, I definitely went through a very slow period of growth within myself, with my self-confidence. Definitely part of the reason why I waited so long. I was afraid. I cared way too much about what people thought of me to do something about what I wanted to do. Years later, here we are. I started this YouTube channel in 2020. It was, I believe, May 2020. We've had it for 4 years. I know in my heart, if I really dove in way back then, we would probably be way further along in this channel, but that is okay. I'm really trying to remind myself it is okay to be exactly where I am, and I'm supposed to be exactly where I am right now. Started in 2020, and I was posting very sporadically, very not concentrated content. I didn't take into account a lot of different things that you should be doing on YouTube. I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program on January 15th, 2024. YouTube pays out on a monthly basis. No matter when you get accepted into the program, you will still be paid per monthly basis. In my scenario, because I got accepted into the program in the middle of the month, I am getting paid for only January 15th to January 31st. Going forward, February will be from February 1st to February February 29th, however many days are in February, and I will be paid out in March. YouTube pays out the 21st day of the following month. My paycheck from January, I got paid out on February 21st. My February paycheck will be paid on March 21st, and so on. I first just want to give that disclaimer, set the stage, preface. This very first paycheck is definitely smaller, mainly because it only started calculating mid-month. I have my laptop here, and we are literally going to go through this together. I'm going to show you the numbers. I'm going to show you the stats. We're gonna show you the things. We are all about transparency over here on this channel. This is just a good learning experience. Anybody who is curious about the process, who might need some inspiration and motivation, I hope this helps deliver that. Right now, we are looking at my YouTube channel analytics. I mentioned in the other video, your analytics are extremely powerful. They tell you so much information about the traffic source of your followers, where they're located, how old they are, the gender breakdown, the revenue sources, either from the watch page ads or YouTube Premium or the Shorts ads. See, most importantly, it shows you what videos are making you the most money. And that's something very important to look at and think about. My channel definitely started to get more traction when I started sharing about looking for apartments in New York City. I am definitely aware that this process is a process that a lot of people are interested in, and so therefore a lot of people have been tuning into my journey. It makes me happy sharing things that appeal to people, walking people through the process, really showing what it's like to live in New York. Definitely how my channel started to get more exposure and get more traction. I'm clearly seeing that in the numbers. Those videos are hitting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,000 views per video. Because of that, I'm seeing more subscribers, and I'm also seeing those higher watch times. Goes into how much money each of the videos are making, and that plays into the final total for the month. The revenue that I was paid out for January 2024 was $138.25. This encompasses page watch ads on your long form videos, the ads that are shown throughout the video. YouTube Premium, whoever has a premium account, $3.14 from my shorts, which are the short form videos on YouTube. Page watch ads was $128.78, which I already knew that is the bulk of the money, and that will mostly always be the bulk of the money because those are the longer videos that people are tuning in weekly to watch. Really interested in learning more about how these numbers grow as time goes on. I have just started in the program. I got accepted last month. I'm also filming this on February 26th. I literally got paid out 5 days ago. I wanted to make this video soon after I got paid out. When you get paid out, it is official. I really wanted to wait until after the 21st of the month to give you the most accurate number. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this every single month, but I think it is really motivating. I love creating. I love telling a story. I love editing. A lot of people don't, but I love editing a raw file into something beautiful, something captivating. I love to resonate with my audience. That is really where I want to see my journey on YouTube take off. That's where I want to hope other people who are craving the same thing will find me, find my channel, resonate with something I said or did in my videos, and stay tuned for the ride. This is such a special platform. It's so special, it's so different, it's so pure. It's something that I have always been intrigued about. Some of my idols in social media started here. I just wanted to leave my own mark and have a piece of that as well. I think YouTube has really brought a lot of good out of me, and I've met some of you guys along the way who have been just the utmost encouraging, and some of the most beautiful conversations I've had have been on YouTube, which I love. That is my YouTube revenue. My very first paycheck paycheck. We are manifesting, growing, hoping that my story reaches other people. YouTube has really changed my life. It's changed my perspective on myself. It has shown me that I am stronger than I think. It has given me the voice that I've always wanted. It has unlocked this passion of mine that I've had, but I never knew what to do with this creativity I had. And that's really special to me. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this is the first time you are seeing me, hello and welcome. I hope you stay a while. For my OGs, for the people who have known me for years now and have seen me honestly evolve so much. I was recently watching some of my old videos, like 2021, 2020. I was like, damn, she has grown up. She's grown now. I know who I am and I feel really confident in that. This is MK 2.0 and this is who she has always strived to be, and I cannot wait to share more of that with you guys. This is only the beginning. I'm happy you're here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new here. Remember to thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.